Many individuals dream of having a strong muscular body, but the route to getting it might seem difficult. You don't need expensive supplements or risky pharmaceuticals while the market is filled with items promising speedy results. The fact is, you can attain your objectives without them. You may obtain astonishing results. Naturally, true lasting muscular gain comes from devotion and knowing your body's demands. It's all about knowing how your body operates. Knowing the fundamentals of muscle structure and how muscles develop may make a tremendous impact in your training. By concentrating on fundamental elements like exercise, diet, and recuperation, you may unleash your muscular growing potential. Exercise is vital, but it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting them properly and gradually straining your muscles. This article will walk you through the important procedures to grow muscle organically. We'll cover everything from the sorts of activities you should be performing to the necessity of a healthy diet. We'll study the science underlying muscle development and share practical recommendations, understanding the significance of protein synthesis, the need of rest, and how to avoid frequent traps will put you on the correct road. Get ready to alter your physique the proper way. It's not only about looking nice, it's about feeling powerful and healthy. Remember, gaining muscle organically is a process. It's a procedure that takes patience and persistence. There will be hurdles along the path, but each stride forward is a success. It requires time, effort, and devotion. You'll need to persevere through challenging exercises, keep to a healthy diet, and give your body the rest it needs to develop. But the benefits are definitely worth it. The feeling of achievement, the increase in confidence, and the general improvement in health are important. Let's get started on this exciting road to a stronger, healthier self. Building muscle demands the appropriate nourishment. Your body requires a surplus of calories and critical nutrients to sustain muscular development. This involves having a balanced diet rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Think of your body as a building site. You need the correct ingredients to make something extraordinary. Food is your building material. Don't underestimate the power of entire foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and nutritious grains give the basis for muscular building. Fuel your body appropriately, and you'll notice tremendous results. Protein is necessary for muscular building. It offers the building components known as amino acids that your muscles need to heal and develop. Aim to eat a good source of protein with each meal. Think of protein as the blocks for your muscle development endeavor. You need lots to develop a robust building. Excellent sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and lentils. Incorporate these nutrients into your diet to boost your muscle growth objectives. Carbohydrates supply your body with the energy it needs to push through exercises. They help restore glycogen reserves in your muscles, which are needed for muscular development. Fats are crucial for hormone synthesis, particularly testosterone, which plays a critical role in muscle building. Don't be terrified of good fats. Choose complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Exercise is the trigger that causes muscular development. When you strain your muscles with resistance exercise, you cause minute rips in the muscle fibers. Your body reacts by healing these tears, making the muscles larger and stronger. Visit www.fema.gov. This process is known as muscular hypertrophy, emphasis on complex workouts that train many muscle groups simultaneously. Examples include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses. These workouts are particularly helpful for increasing muscular development. Complex exercises should form the backbone of your training regimen. They activate several muscle areas, resulting to higher total muscular development and strength increases. They also imitate natural movement patterns. Think of complex exercises as the heavy lifters of your training. They deliver the greatest bang for your cash. Examples of compound exercises are squats, deadlifts, lunges, push-ups, pull-ups, and rows. Incorporate these workouts into your program for optimum muscular development. Progressive loading is the key to continual muscular development. It includes progressively increasing the demands imposed on your muscles over time. This may be done by increasing weight, repetitions, or sets. Think of your muscles like a rubber band. To make it stronger, you need to extend it. As you grow stronger, you need to test your muscles farther to continue experiencing development. Keep note of your workouts and aim to improve each time. Rest and rehabilitation are equally as vital as training when it comes to muscular building. When you press your muscles to their limits during a workout, you're really causing microscopic rips in the muscle fibers. This can seem terrifying, but it's a normal and vital component of the muscle growing process. When you train out, you're tearing down your muscles. This breakdown is a warning to your body that it needs to repair and strengthen those muscles to withstand future stress better. They require time to heal and rebuild stronger. This mending phase is where the magic occurs. Your body absorbs nutrients from the food you consume to repair the muscle fibers, making them thicker and stronger than before. Think of rest as giving your muscles a time to catch their breath. Without proper rest, your muscles don't have the chance to heal entirely, which may lead to overtraining and injury. They require time to recuperate and develop. This is why including rest days into your fitness plan is vital. It's not just about taking a vacation, it's about allowing your body the time it needs to adapt and develop. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. Sleep is when your body accomplishes most of its healing work. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones that help in muscle healing and development. Listen to your body and take rest days when required. If you're feeling abnormally exhausted or hurting, it can be an indication that your body needs extra time to recuperate. Don't disregard these indications. Don't underestimate the power of rest. It's an essential component of any workout plan. Proper rest and recuperation may boost your performance, reduce injuries, and help you reach your exercise objectives more successfully. So remember, relaxation is not a sign of weakness. It's a key aspect of your training strategy. Sleep is when your body creates the most growth hormone, which is needed for muscle repair and development. During sleep, your body is hard at work repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. Think of sleep as the ultimate recuperation time. It's when your body performs its greatest job. Make sure your sleep environment is cold, dark, and quiet. Establish a regular sleep pattern and avoid coffee or alcohol before bed. Prioritize sleep for maximum muscular development. Developing muscle organically requires time and work. There are no shortcuts. Consistency is crucial. Make exercise and good eating habits part of your lifestyle. Think of muscular development as a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent improvement over time. Be patient and believe the process results will come with devotion and hard effort. Keep persistent, keep patient, and you'll attain your muscle growing objectives. Building muscle organically is an inspiring experience. It's not only about the physical change, but also about the mental and emotional development you experience along the road. Each step you take, each weight you lift, and each nutritious meal you make brings you closer to your objectives by concentrating on good diet, effective exercise, and enough relaxation. You establish the basis for a healthier, stronger nutrition feeds, your body providing you the energy to push through difficult exercises and recover properly. Exercise pushes your muscles, causing them to develop and adapt. Rest helps your body to recover and come back more stronger. You can modify your body from the inside out. This shift is not only about looks. It's about feeling more confident, more energetic, and more in sync with your body. It's about getting up each day with a feeling of purpose and drive. Remember, you are capable of tremendous things. Your physique is a tribute to your hard work and devotion. Every drop of perspiration, every painful muscle, and every moment of uncertainty conquered is a step towards greatness. Think of your body like a machine with the correct fuel, maintenance, and training. It can produce astonishing effects. Just like a perfectly tuned engine, your body runs best when it's properly fed, well-rested, and continuously challenged upkeep. And training are crucial components of this process. Stretching in perfect form avoid injuries and promote longevity in your fitness adventure. Guidance from trainers or exercise partners may give the drive and expertise required to push over plateaus. It can produce astonishing effects. Whether it's lifting larger weights, running faster, or just feeling better in your own skin, the effects of your hard work are evident. Embrace the adventure and appreciate the process. Celebrate your progress no matter how modest. Each milestone is a win, a monument to your effort and devotion. Surround yourself with a supportive group that inspires and uplifts you, and never give up on your ambitions. The journey to fitness is not always simple, but it is always worth it. Every difficulty you confront is a chance to develop stronger, both physically and intellectually. The power to develop a stronger, healthier self is within you. Trust in the process, trust in yourself, and keep moving ahead. Your path is unique, and every step you take takes you closer to being the finest version of yourself. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.